Now I would like to call speakers to deliver their speech.
Understand we want standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of construction of iconic Narayani Bridge, which begins after an 18-month break. Construction of a long-awaited natural bridge over the Narayani River has been finally begun a year and after the ceremony groundbreaking of iconic bridge, then Prime Minister Pushpa Kumar Dahal and Minister of Physical Information Structure and Transport uh, symbolic foundation during ceremony of May 14 last year to Nayani Gram, but work do not this work do not commence as expected. The government has signed a construction with Gundi Construction on May 2023 2023 to complete the bridge within 4 years. Thank you and have a good day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to the respected principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's been Christmas standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of value of time. Without wasting my and your time, I like to start my topic time. Time is the most precious thing in our life. Once it is lost, we can brought it back. We can earn it from the money or etc. We need to save our time. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's your Anuza Thappa from grade 8, standing in front of you today for a short and sweet speech on the topic of mirror. Now my topic goes like this: mirror. Mirror is a smooth surface that reflects the light and produce images. Mirror is made up of glass with polished surface. Mirror has many types here: plane mirror, curved mirror, spherical mirror. Plane mirror are those type of mirror which reflecting surface is flat. Curved mirror are those type of mirror which reflecting surface is curved. Spherical mirror has two types. They are called concave mirror and convex mirror. If the reflecting surface is curved inward and outside part is silver, then it is called concave mirror. It is also called converging mirror, convex mirror. If the reflecting surface is curved outwards and inside part is silver, then it is called convex mirror. It is also known as diverging mirror. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar everyone. Good morning to all respected classmates, sir, principal sir, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all may know, Antayada from grade 4 is standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of care. Before starting my topic, I will thank ECU community of Anupam Vidyasaran to increase the level of history. Now my topics go like this: cat. Cat is a pet animal. It is look like a tiger. Cats are of different color. Cats generally are white, brown, black, etc. Some cats are combination of different color. Cats has 4 legs, but can run fast. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hands going up, side, up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. So now I would like to call our respected lesson teacher to do some.
Thank you, school captain, Miss Sarvani Gautam. Stand it. What about this line? Who is the line commander of this one? Front is only not standing correctly. Why? Attention. Cover up. And side. The front while looking sideways. The front. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand it. Have you reason forward? Attention. Lift your leg and bang on the ground. Left leg. Stand it. Lazy girls be active. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Are you acting or clapping? Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. So coming Friday there is mental maths competition. The participants for the event can enlist their name. During first period, they can register their name to the class teacher, and class teacher will give to coordinator sir. So there will be multiple choice questions. Some time will be given to you. Within that time, you have to choose the best and show your geniusness. We have hung those structures in two places. One is near to the staff room, another is near to the hall. But most of them are not using it. From today, during tiffin time, after having meal, check the structure and practice. Tiffin time means have your meal, have your tiffin, whatever is brought. Either canteen tiffin or home-made tiffin. Afterwards, look at the structure and follow it. You can communicate with your friends, seniors and juniors. Practice makes man perfect. Matter is like that. Class 8, 9 and 10. Your exam will prepone. Look at the calendar. It must be in third week of pause, but we are going to start it in second week of pause. Very soon we will provide you the routine. So you are not supposed to waste the time. Be focused while reading and write on your own. Don't copy from others. Copycats cannot do anything. Next important thing is the cold is increasing day by day. Don't forget to wear warm clothes inside. And I can see some of the students that just come opening their zipper and no inner clothes. Why? Many thermocoats, thick woolen socks, cap, muffler, then you will be safe. First, focus on your health. And while eating, you must find the taste of food. I saw some of the students, they just were eating quite fast so that they could run here and there. You must chew the food well so that stomach can digest it well. Class monitor and vice monitors, you have got great role. You must be smart and active in both conditions, whether there is presence of teacher or absence of teacher. You have got great role when there is no teacher. Make them systematic and disciplined. develop the habit to greet juniors, must greet to seniors. I have noticed the students, they were greeting the teachers only. Whenever the juniors meet seniors, they have to say, Namaskar Dai, Namaskar Didi. You start greetings from your home. When you get up, after completing your morning walk, go near to your parents and greet them. And get their blessings. Because discipline starts from home. Is that clear or not? Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. So I would like to request the house teachers to check the smartness of students.